and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I am doing an unboxing and reviewing this Ohuhu Dip Powder Nail Kit. And this comes with dip powders, and it comes with base, activator, and top gel. I opened up the base. It was a little bit sticky, but I did use it once and it was okay. So it wouldn't be my favorite base, but it's pretty good. So here I'm showing you guys everything that comes in the kit. These nippers were really nice and sharp. And I did win this kit, you guys, from MVP Nail Designs and Ohuhu. So it's a really nice kit. The cuticle pusher, stainless steel cuticle pusher, it was really nice. It was a 100-180 grit file. You get 2 brush replacement heads. We have a really pretty and soft brush in there as well. And it comes with beautiful shades of dip powder that they say can be used as acrylic as well. And I'm using my S&M Nail Candy monomer, and I did not have a problem with these curing. So you guys could see how thick the dip powder was there. Not ideal for dip powder. Maybe you guys can use it as a resin to glue on your stones. Or, I mean, you can use it for dip powder. I just don't think it's the best. But the activator was really good, and you guys can see how thick the top coat is. So I wouldn't really suggest their liquids, at least not in this kit, but we can still always use them as resin to adhere the crystals. I absolutely love the colors that come in this kit. Look how soft this brush is. You have a variety of nudes, pinks, and then we have some grays in there. And then this is a French dipping tray. So if you guys want to get that perfect French line, you can use that. Or you can use this instead of a cupcake tray. So you can pour whole dip powder in there and then dip your finger in there that way. So it's super useful, those trays. And then here I'm showing you guys the first color, number 2. I'm going to go through them, you guys, and then I'm going to swatch them. I made sure I gave them a good shake. They came in a beautiful box. So here I'm going in with the first color, you guys, and these did have numbers. I'm not sure if you go on their website if the numbers will be accordingly if you want bigger sizes. But these ones did have numbers on the bottom. So this is a beautiful light pink peachy color, absolutely beautiful. And then look at this red, you guys. Look at how beautiful it picked up all that liquid. Beautiful. And there wasn't any marbling in this color, so super pretty red. And again, this was a mixture of reds, pinks, nudes, and there is a gray in here. And then we also have some glitter shades. So keep on watching, you guys. I am gonna swatch all of these, and I really did like the consistency of it. Again, I am using it with monomer, but it is a dip powder, but they claim to be 2-in-1. So you can use them as dip or with monomer, and I really did like these, you guys. The colors were beautiful, the packaging was beautiful, and that is it. Make sure you guys watch till the end to see all these colors. The pink glitter one was my favorite, and they have a really gorgeous dark glitter as well. And I'm going to show you guys them all swatched here at the end. So here, you guys, I'm organizing all of the colors, and you guys are going to be able to see them swatched on the lid here. Again, I didn't experience any marbling. They were really smooth and really beautiful colors. I especially love the variety in here. I think it's a really great beginner's kit, so I highly recommend this dip powder and acrylic kit. Yeah, I have only great things to say about it except for the liquids, but you do get a lot of powders. And here I'm just checking, and they did cure pretty well. It took a bit longer to cure than acrylic powder, but that is normal with dip powders. And yeah, I absolutely love these, you guys. I'm showing you guys all of the colors here in the ohuhu dip powder kit. So I hope you guys subscribe. Let me know down below what you thought of this kit. Let me know if any dip powder kits that you guys like. I did buy liquids from Triple D on Instagram. I heard about it from Omnia's Wish, and it was a hit or miss for me. The formula was pretty good, but I had some problems with staining around the top coat, and after one use my brushes were already pretty destroyed, so I was a bit disappointed about that. But I have my own bottle of brush restore, so I did that. But I will have a whole video coming up on that soon. So here are the beautiful colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.